Hi there, hope you're all doing well. I'm back with another of my Jackal Skirmish team. This is one of the trackers. I'm going for a blue colour scheme this time around, and with a grey fur. I primed the mini black and gave them a desert tan zenithal highlight. To get started, I base coated the fur with stonewall grey. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been working on. Next up, all the armor plates get a coat of deep blue. The base, as with all of the Jackals, is done with a sandy yellow over the top, but not the rim. For everything that hasn't been base coated yet, I give them a once over with black grey. There is a root on the base, so I paint that and the base rim with leather brown. To add some highlights to the fur, I added a few dashes with ash grey. The armor gets a highlight using ultramarine blue. This is just for the edges mostly, making sure to leave that deep blue in the recessed parts. For the eyes, I wanted them to stand out compared to the rest of the Mini, so I used orange fire. I also added a little bit of extra detail to the gun just to break it up some more. The black grey still needed more breaking up, so I used shining silver to add a few extra details around, as most of this is metallic anyway. The black grey did also need a highlight, so I grabbed dark sea green just for some of the sharp edges. As with all my Jackal units, I washed the entire Mini with light tone. And that will be it for the Jackal Tracker. I'm liking the blue, but the fur just isn't really working for me. But I've got one more colour scheme to try out first before I actually decide on an army colour. As always, there will be photos of this mini on my Instagram page. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments below. You can also join Discord using the link in the description. There you can share anything you have been working on. Like, subscribe if you enjoyed. Most importantly though, be kind to each other.